Imagine transforming your body without ever stepping foot in a gym. No expensive equipment, no waiting in line for machines, just you, your body, and raw determination. Sound impossible? It's not. In fact, bodyweight exercises are one of the most underrated yet powerful ways to build muscle, increase strength, and sculpt your physique faster than you ever thought possible. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint for a bodyweight workout that delivers insane results. Why bodyweight training is so effective? Bodyweight exercises have been around for centuries, used by warriors, athletes, and even ancient civilizations to build strength and endurance. Why are they so effective? Because they train your body as a single unit. Instead of isolating muscles like traditional weightlifting, bodyweight exercises engage multiple muscle groups, fire up your core, and improve overall functionality. What makes them even more incredible is their adaptability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, you can tailor bodyweight exercises to your level, progressing as you grow stronger. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to push your limits, break through plateaus, and maximize your results, all from the comfort of your home. Before we dive into the exercises, let me ask you this. Have you ever dismissed bodyweight training because it seems too easy? That's a mistake. Done right, bodyweight exercises can rival and even surpass the muscle-building benefits of traditional weightlifting. How? It's all about technique, intensity, and consistency. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to unlock this hidden potential. To build muscle fast with bodyweight exercises, you need to approach your workouts strategically. First, focus on compound movements. These are exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Compound movements trigger more muscle fibers, leading to greater strength and hypertrophy. Second, emphasize progressive overload. This doesn't mean adding weights. Instead, you'll make exercises harder by changing angles, increasing reps, or adding time under tension. Nutrition also plays a crucial role. To build muscle, you need to fuel your body with high-quality protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Don't underestimate the power of recovery either. Muscle grows during rest, not while you're exercising. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and allowing your muscles time to rebuild after intense workouts. The science behind the fat burn. Here's a question for you. Have you ever felt your muscles shake and burn during a workout? That's the sweet spot. It's your body signaling that you're pushing beyond your comfort zone. Science backs this up. When you perform exercises to the point of fatigue, you maximize muscle fiber recruitment, which leads to growth. In this video, we're going to focus on movements that create that exact effect, propelling your muscle-building journey into overdrive. The power of push-ups. Let's start with a classic, the push-up. At first glance, it might seem basic, but it's one of the most versatile and powerful exercises you can do. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Want to make them more challenging? Try variations like diamond push-ups to hit your triceps harder, or decline push-ups to emphasize your shoulders. If you're advanced, explosive plyometric push-ups are a game changer. Push yourself off the ground with enough force for your hands to leave the floor. This builds explosive strength while challenging your fast-twitch muscle fibers. Can you do 20 explosive push-ups in a row? If not, that's your first goal. Ever feel like you're stuck in your workouts, not seeing progress? It's frustrating, right? Plateaus are common, but they're also conquerable. The key is variation. Your body adapts quickly to repetitive movements, so you need to keep it guessing. That's why I'm going to share a variety of exercises today, so you can constantly challenge your muscles and keep growing. One of the biggest misconceptions about bodyweight training is that you can't effectively train your back without equipment. That's false. Let me introduce you to horizontal rows using a sturdy table or door frame. This simple move targets your lats, traps, and biceps, mimicking the mechanics of a pull-up. If you're ready to level up, work towards achieving pull-ups. A sturdy door-mounted bar is affordable and opens up endless possibilities. Start with assisted pull-ups or negatives. Jump to the top position and slowly lower yourself. Over time, your strength will skyrocket, and you'll be cranking out full pull-ups like a pro. Quick question: how often do you prioritize your core? If your answer is only during ab day, you're missing out. Your core isn't just about aesthetics, it's the foundation of nearly every movement you perform. A strong core enhances your balance, improves posture, and increases power during compound exercises. Planks, mountain climbers, and hollow body holds are just a few bodyweight exercises that will set your abs on fire while building functional strength. Now, let's talk about your lower body. Squats and lunges are your best friends here. Air squats might seem easy, but add a pause at the bottom or try pistol squats, single leg squats. That demand insane balance and strength, and you'll realize how tough they can get. Lunges, on the other hand, are perfect for isolating each leg, addressing muscle imbalances, and building explosive power. Walking lunges, jump lunges, or Bulgarian split squats can all help you develop muscular legs without any equipment. Here's a tip many people overlook: tempo training. Slowing down your reps, especially during the eccentric phase, creates more tension in your muscles. For example, take 3 seconds to lower yourself in a squat or push-up. The result? Greater muscle activation and faster gains. To wrap up your workout, finish strong with high-intensity exercises like burpees, jump squats, or mountain climbers. These moves elevate your heart rate, torch calories, and recruit every muscle in your body. The key is to push yourself to the limit. Can you do 3 rounds of 30 burpees with minimal rest? If not, make it a goal. Let me leave you with this thought: your body is the most advanced piece of fitness equipment you'll ever own. It's with you wherever you go, ready to be challenged. Don't let the absence of weights or machines hold you back. Use what you have and push yourself beyond what you think is possible. So, are you ready to transform your body using these powerful bodyweight exercises? Whether you're working out in your living room, a park, or a hotel room, these moves can help you build muscle, increase strength, and achieve your fitness goals faster than you imagined. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips. Let us know in the comments which exercise you're going to try first. Until next time, keep pushing, keep growing, and remember, you have everything you need to succeed.